guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to create this smoky, bluish, purplish, greenish kind of eye look. So you guys can see that this eye look looks so gorgeous. And by the way guys, if you want to know how to create this full look with the eye look, makeup and everything, then don't forget to follow me in my Instagram. I have link in the description below, so follow me because I'll post a video in this complete look. And today for this eye look I'm actually going to use two palettes. One is Anastasia Norvina palette. Also I'm going to use this one from Juvia's palette. This is their masquerade palette, so I'm going to use this two palette to create this eye look. So without further delay, we are just going to jump into the video and I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful eye look. So let's go. So first I'm going to prime my eyelid and I'm using a concealer for it, and I'm just gonna blend it with my beauty sponge. You always want to prime your eyelid before you start applying your eyeshadow. And now I'm going to take the shade called A1 from Anastasia Norvina Vol 3 palette, and I'm using it as my crease shade. So I'm applying it all over my crease just like that, and I'm blending it so there is no harsh line and it nicely blended. After that, I will take the shade called C4 from Norvina Vol 3 palette, and I'm using it as my outer color, and I'm also applying it in a pressing motion and at the same time trying to blend it. And I'm also going to make a wing shape so that my eye look much more bigger. And now I'm going to take a black shadow just to darken up the place a little bit more. And now I'm going back to the previous shade and I'm just trying to blend everything out so there is no harsh line. After that I'm going to take a setting spray and I'm going to spray my brush with the setting spray. After that I'm going to take the shade called Zola from Masquerade palette from Juvia's palettes, and I'm going to apply it in the center of my lid. This is such a beautiful, super pigmented shadow ever. And now I'm going back to Anastasia palette and taking the C4 color and trying to blend in my outer lid so that there is no harsh line. Now I'm going to take the shade called D3 and I'm applying it in my inner lid, all over my inner lid, just like that. After that I'm going to take the shade called E4 and I'm going to apply it above of that previous shade just to give it a yellowish, yellowish greenish kind of color. And now for my lower lash line, I'm taking a black color and applying it in my lower lash line, and I'm also connecting it with my upper outer lid. Now I'm going to take the shade called Dahlia from Masquerade palette. I'm going to apply it above of that black shade, and now I'm going back to the color called Zola from Masquerade palette and I'm applying it at the center of my lower lash line, and then I'm just connecting everything together. And now again from Anastasia palette, I'm taking the D3 color and E4 color and applying it in my inner lower lash line. Now as my brow bone highlight, I'm taking the shade called Giza from Masquerade palette, and now I'm just applying mascara and also gonna put some lashes, and then I'll get back. Alright guys, so here is the finished eye look. I don't know, my lighting wasn't so good just because in reality it looked more vibrant than video, but I hope you guys like it. Alright guys, so that's all for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this eye look. This is so gorgeous, easy. It's not simple, of course. It's not like everyday kind of eye look, but it is gorgeous and really pretty. I really loved it. If you guys also liked it, then try to recreate it and maybe you can share with me in my Instagram. Okay, so that's complete this video. And guys, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming video. And I think that's pretty it. We're supposed to say goodbye. Stay good and stay safe, and I'll see you guys soon. I will see you guys in my next upcoming video. Bye bye.